In this demonstration I want to focus on the publishing of Office documents. In my document library you see that I've got different content types. For example, drawings, but also Office documents. You can use the content type to start a different publishing workflow. In a previous demonstration I already showed that if you do a major check-in of a CAD document, I could trigger the publishing of the CAD document. But for the Office documents I want to show you a different scenario, namely using a metadata field called document status to trigger the publishing of an Office document. Now in this example, if I select the organized local cache document and switch the value of the status to published, this will already trigger the publishing of this document. You see the status field Office Publish. If I click refresh, you see that it already changed to Publish Started. Now this gives you the opportunity to use the Organize functionality to select multiple documents, go to the Properties tab, change the status of the document to, for example, Published, give an enter, and you see that both fields or multiple documents are changed. This also means that if I again click refresh, you see that for these two documents the publishing process already started. Now in this case I configured my workflow that as soon as published is filled in, the workflow is started. But you could also say, no, I only want to trigger it if a specific previous value was there. So if it moves from for approval to published. Different scenarios possible. Now, I first started to publish for this document here. Let's see if it's already finished. So let's click refresh and you see that the publish has already finished. So if I switch to my Publish tab, you see that multiple versions were already created. This is also configurable. You can say, okay, I want to override the PDF file for this document, but in this case he's creating per version, per SharePoint version, he's creating a new PDF file. So let's click the PDF and you see that he switches to the Internet Explorer and that he neatly changed, converted my document to a PDF file. Of course I could also go to my documents library, my target document library I configured for this particular workflow, and there you can see that the Organize local cache file is present, but also the quick reference is already there. So if I click the quick reference guide, you see that it's converted to a PDF file. Of course, depending on the file size of the original document, it could take a while to create a PDF file. But if I switch back to my original library and do a refresh again on the list, you see, okay, the quick reference is already present, the local cache is already published, and this one is still running. This concludes my demonstration of the Office publishing.